back to the Racks and Scraps channel. Welcome back. And what are we getting in today? You guys know, those of you who know me know I like to jump right on into it. So for those of you who don't know me, I am Monique. I specialize in DIYs, home decor, arts and craft. I'm learning gardening. I'm still doing that. Just all the things that deal with home and lifestyle as far as home goes. Check out some of my playlists. Check out some of my other things that I got going on my channel, my other videos. Please comment, rate, and subscribe if you enjoy the content. I would love to have you on board as part of the Wrapped in Scraps family, sis. All right, but let's get into this quick lasagna. Here's the recipe.
All right, you guys, let's talk about the ingredients, shall we? We have traditional ricotta cheese. We have mozzarella cheese, parsley, oregano, ground beef, lasagna noodles, Parmesan cheese, and marinara sauce. Okay, of course, along with some salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder.
So before we get into this meal, let me share with you guys one of my new pot sets. I ordered this pot set maybe about a month and a half ago at the most. This is the Cuisinart. I got it from the at-home store. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Try not to burn my long sleeve on this fire. What I like about Cuisinart, first of all, they're a great brand. Second of all, this set that I have here, I'll insert the box so you guys can see exactly which one I purchased.
And so it is the Cuisinart Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard-Eye Anodized Cookware. I can never say that word, okay?
I really like how they have the numbers on them like that to tell you the size and all that jazz.
But the handle doesn't get hot. It's a little hot right now because I had it literally over the heat on the other eye of the stove. I thought I turned on the right one and it wasn't. It was the other one. So that's why it's a little warm, but it was on there for a while, so I'm surprised it's not hotter than this. But when you're cooking your food with these handles, they don't get hot. So that's a plus. We like that. So I already put my noodles in. I'm not gonna scrape my new pot set, don't worry. I'm just trying to make sure they don't stick. Quick tip, but I normally don't chop the onions. I don't chop the onions, sis. Let me show you what I do. Chop the skin off the onions. I put them in this blender and I liquefy it. Why do I liquefy the onions, you ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. I do that because in that way I can guarantee that the flavor of the onion is gonna get throughout the ground beef, okay? Now, it is partially lazy as well, but I'm tired and it's almost 4 or 5 o'clock and I need to get this meal on the stove and done, okay? So that's what we're doing today. All right, here we have our chopped onions. We're gonna start to be cooking this, huh? Let's get it all incorporated. All right, you guys, and so I purchased the Cuisinart set. I purchased this set because I really needed another set. The set that I had previously was kind of abused a bit, and so it was time for another set. But for a long time, you guys, I've been wanting a really like upscale, nice set of dishes cookware. Okay, so I went on ahead and bit the bullet to QVC, and I purchased. If you type in Viking, it'll just pop up. It is the Viking copper hammered copper cook set. They normally go for $899, and they were on sale for $599 with 5 flex pays of $147 or something like that. Still breaking it up. It's coming off as red in the camera, but it's actually brown. There we go. Try not to get it on my nice shirt.
All right, you guys, you want to boil the noodles for no more than 6 minutes, otherwise it will be soggy. Okay, 6 minutes.
So we're going to be spraying with some vegetable spray. And you just want to make sure you get a good coat so it doesn't stick, all right? And here we go. We're going to start laying them. There is no wrong or right way. Just lay them in there. Cover the bottom. You can have them overlay a little bit if you choose. Okay. Whatever makes you happy. Here we go. I'm going to layer it in there. Just like that. Okay. Now after we do that, we're going to go in there with some Parmesan. Then friends, you get your Parmesan cheese. We're gonna take this off. You can use real Parmesan if you choose. It's all up to you and how you want to layer it. You can mix the Parmesan in with the ricotta, or you can do it and let it stand alone. Okay? Whatever makes you happy. So we're gonna go with this one. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with the ricotta. So we've got our ricotta there. We've got our oregano. We're gonna pour that right in the ricotta, just like that. Okay. We're just gonna mix it in there. Take our spoon.
So this is the step where I mix most of my seasonings into the ricotta. I put the oregano, I put the parsley, and I also put salt, a little bit of pepper and garlic salt into the ricotta. And I did add some more mozzarella.
Okay, you can buy the mozzarella in the brick or in these little containers like this here, or you can buy it already shredded, because who has time for all of that? Even though I have a shredder that my aunt bought me for my KitchenAid, I just don't feel like using it today. I just don't. So we're going to use the mozzarella shredded already for us, because God is so good. He made technology, made our lives easier. Okay, so we're just going to do this here. Be generous with yourself. We'll pray that God bless ourselves to not have calories, but we're going to be generous and put it all on there. Okay, and then we're starting all over again. Here we are. We're here with the noodles again. And I usually only get 2 layers, so I like to really layer my noodles, like almost double stack them, so you can get more than just a little bit. Okay.
Alright, you guys, so the process is the same. We're going over it with noodles, again with the sauce and meat. We're going to sprinkle our Parmesan, then we're going to add our ricotta, and then we're going to add our mozzarella. And we just repeat that process until you are done layering your lasagna. Alright, you guys, so that is the lasagna. It was really, really good. I almost forgot to take pictures of it. This is the lasagna the next morning, so you can see the layers. You do want to let it cool for about 15 minutes before cutting into it if you want to be able to see the layers. Otherwise, it's just going to be a whole bunch of good, gooey goodness. Okay? Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.